Hello everyone. So far in this series we have learned what a business idea truly means, how business ideas are born, how to structure ideas using a blueprint, how creativity and perception shape strong ideas. Now we arrive at the most practical and misunderstood stage, turning an idea into income. Many people have ideas, very few turn ideas into money. This episode is about crossing that gap because an idea that does not generate income is not a business, it is a thought. Today we will break down the journey from idea to income step by step, calmly and realistically. Welcome back to SSverse, your one-stop solution for smart learning, smart earning and smart living. My name is Shahbaz Sultani. Let's enjoy the show. Session 1. Why most ideas never become income? The biggest mistake people make is assuming income comes automatically. They think if the idea is good, money will come. If the product is strong, customers will appear. If effort is high, results are guaranteed. Business does not work on assumptions. Business works on execution and alignment. Income is a result, not a reward. Session 2. Understanding what income really is. Income is not just money received. Income is proof of value, confirmation of demand, validation of your idea. When someone pays you, they are saying, this solves a problem worth my money. No payment means no validation. Session 3. The first income is more important than big income. Your first income matters more than your first million. Why? Because first income proves someone trusts your idea. Someone believes in your solution. Someone is willing to exchange money for your value. Many people wait for perfect systems. Empire builders focus on the first transaction. Session 4. Starting small is a strategy, not a weakness. Trying to build a perfect business before earning is dangerous. Small income allows you to learn faster, reduce risk, improve based on feedback, build confidence. Income does not come from perfection. It comes from usefulness. Session 5. Identifying your first paying customer. Your first customer is rarely the perfect customer. Your first customer is someone with urgency, someone with a real problem, someone willing to try. Do not chase mass appeal, chase one real customer. One customer teaches more than 1,000 opinions. Session 6. Pricing is a mindset, not a formula. Many people underprice because of fear. They think, I am new, I am not confident. People may say no. Pricing reflects belief in value. Low price with no confidence still fails. Fair price with clarity builds trust. Price should reflect value delivered, problem severity, customer outcome. Session 7. Selling is not convincing, it is communicating. Selling has a bad reputation because it is misunderstood. Selling is not manipulation. Selling is not measure. Selling is clear communication of value. If your solution genuinely helps, explaining it clearly is your responsibility. Avoiding selling is avoiding growth. Session 8. Feedback turns ideas into income systems. Income improves through feedback. Early income often comes with mistakes. That is normal. Feedback shows what customers like, what they ignore, what confuses them, what they want improved. Businesses grow by listening, not defending. Session 9. Repeatability creates stable income. One-time income is fragile. Repeatable income is stability. Ask, can this be sold again? Can this be delivered consistently? Can this be improved over time? Empires are built on repeatable value. Session 10. Consistency matters more than speed. Many people want fast income. Fast income without system disappears. Slow income with consistency compounds. Consistency builds trust, reputation, confidence, skill. Income grows when effort becomes disciplined. Session 11. Cash flow versus ego. Some ideas look impressive but earn nothing. Other ideas look simple but pay consistently. Ego chooses appearance. Business chooses cash flow. Income feeds growth. Pride starves progress. Session 12. Failure is part of income learning. Not every attempt will earn. Rejection is feedback, silence is feedback, slow response is feedback. Every income failure teaches what to adjust, what to improve, what to remove. Learning converts failure into future income. Session 13. Turning skills into income. Skills are income tools. Knowledge alone is not valuable. Applied knowledge creates income. Ask what can I solve? What can I simplify? What can I deliver repeatedly? Skills become powerful when packaged as solutions. Session 14. Scaling income after proof. Scale only after proof. Proof means paying customers, clear demand, repeatable delivery. Scaling before proof multiplies mistakes. Empires scale certainty, not guesses. Session 15. Long-term income thinking. Short-term income feeds survival. Long-term income builds freedom. Long-term income requires systems, brand trust, customer relationship, continuous improvement. Think beyond today's earning. Session 16. Discipline over motivation. Income does not grow from motivation. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is reliable. Measure progress. Improve steadily. Income respect discipline. Session 17. Final message from idea to income. Ideas are seeds. Income is proof of growth. Do not rush the process. Do not fear small beginnings. Do not ignore feedback. Income comes to those who solve real problems, communicate clearly, improve consistently, stay patient. This was episode 5 of the series Idea to Empire. This episode Idea to Income. In the final episode, we will discuss Business Thinking 101, the mindset required to build and sustain an empire. If this episode helped you understand how ideas turn into income, like this video, subscribe to SS Words and comment. I am ready to turn value into income. This is Shahbaz Sultani and we are one step away from completing this series. I'll see you in the next one.